When the president goes and visits Israel just this past week, and to speak as if he's a neutral party to the conflict while he's essentially funding it from our own tax money, we wanted to highlight this and to actually say that our current policy have been a failure, and essentially we have become almost a cheerleading squad for Israeli policies, its continued expansion, continued building of settlement, confiscation of Palestinian land, and also Holocaust strategies that the Israelis have been pursuing in the region. So that's where the timing of this campaign and the rationale for it at this particular time.
And as a New Yorker and a civil rights attorney, I'm honored to join in launching this ad campaign. This campaign is a critical step toward piercing the muzzle and lifting the blinders of the racist Israeli narrative. It is a critical step toward reclaiming our constitutional rights from the fangs of Israeli apartheid. And we are all the more hopeful that it will empower our friends, our neighbors, fellow New Yorkers to call for an end to our government support for Israeli apartheid, military occupation, and the ethnic cleansing of Palestine.
Retrograde elements in U.S. and Israeli society. We must end this system.
I don't know what impact it might have, but as far as policy goes, I don't think that's... I am certainly for peace. I am from Israel originally.
There's both sides of every story, so I mean, they have a right to say whatever they want. I mean, so their view, their side is valid, just like the other side. I don't really know why we give Israel $3 billion a year in aid. That's a good question.